Hello students, welcome back to your own channel Vedantu NEET English. This is Basavraj, your biology master teacher. Welcome to the second day of your solving 1000 question series. Right? We all of us know we started this mini series taking consideration that all of you lack that question practice, and we are here to complete it. So in the next entire week, one entire week plan, you will be able to solve 1000 questions from physics, chemistry and biology. Okay. Now students, today is day 2. Unit is going to be biology, human welfare. I'll be teaching microbes. Gopika ma'am will be coming after me with human health and disease. So 2 chapters mainly today. So quickly tell me in the chat, students, are you ready for today's class? Students, quickly tell me in the chat if you are ready for today's class. Quickly some fire emoji in the chat which will help me to know that you are ready. Yellow. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, students. Hello. Good evening. Hello Karthik, hello Meghana, hello Ishu, hello Pratibha, Christina, everyone is present. Amazing. Now all of you know the target is very simple. The target for today is going to be 200 likes before Gopika ma'am enters the class. Okay, so target is how much? 200 likes before ma'am enters the class. So all of you quickly smash a like button before we go further. Okay, now students, before I start, let me show you a small thing which makes us happy every single day. Let me show you a very small thing which makes us teachers very happy every single day. That is your comments. Because yesterday Gopika ma'am and I were talking. We were talking that, ma'am, we have such beautiful students who always put their heart and soul out for the comments, and these are the beautiful comments which we saw in the previous session. Right? Such amazing comments every single class we get, and we are truly grateful for all that. Okay, so students, before we start today's class, all of you might be aware that majority of your questions will always come from examples in microbes. All of you agree with me? Students? Majority, 99% of the questions will come from the examples. So for the next 5 minutes, can we quickly summarize all the examples given your NCERT for microbes? Can we start, students? Can we start? In the next 5 minutes, let me tell you every single example given your NCERT for all the microbes which will fetch you the highest of marks. Okay. Now see here, all of you. See this. Important examples. First one, milk to curd is going to be lactobacillus, also called as lactic acid bacteria, also called as LAB. Need to remember. Alcohol in bread, that is called as yeast or Saccharomyces cerevisiae. If it is used in baking industry, it is called as baker's yeast. If it is used in brewing industry to make alcohol, it is called as brewer's yeast. Okay. Now, Swiss cheese, Propionibacterium shermani. You have to remember this. Now, students, if you are able to remember all of this example, keep putting fire emoji in the chat, and I will know that you are paying attention to the class. Okay. Now, all of you. Next is going to be the acids. Here, before we go to the acids, there is antibiotics, penicillium notatum. Okay. Citric acid, Aspergillus niger, which is a fungus. Acetic acid, Acetobacter aceti. Butyric acid, Clostridium botulicum. Lactic acid, Lactobacillus. And ethanol is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Again, one more time. All the examples you have to remember. All of these 3 are your bacteria. Aspergillus niger is a fungus. Okay. Now, what about lipase is used in detergents. Pectinase is used to clarity in bottle juice. That is the juice which you get in your Tetra Pak. No, that's a Tropicana and all. Tropicana. Friends, don't drink all that. Too much of sugar. Okay. The Tropicana is so clear. But when you make the same mango juice or orange juice in the house, it has a lot of fibers. It has lot of phloem and xylem fibers. Right. So that is not available in the market juice. Why? Because of pectinases. Then there is something called streptokinases. That is, streptococcus is a clot buster in myocardial infarction. If, for example, if someone has myocardial infarction and if they need to relieve the clot in the blood vessels, streptokinase is used. Clot buster. Okay. Now, then there is something called as cyclosporine. Cyclosporine is obtained from your Trichoderma polysporum, which is a fungus. It is a immunosuppressive agent. Now, what do I mean by that? Okay, understand. Can I get one example? Right. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of things. I need one volunteer. Okay, let's take Christina. Let's say Christina. Christina, let's say she wants to buy an iPhone. She wants to buy an iPhone and she doesn't have the money to buy an iPhone. What does she do? Take a kidney, sell the kidney and get the iPhone. Now finally she has the iPhone. But later on she realizes in life that iPhone is not everything. iPhone is not everything, but she wants the kidney back. But kidney is already sold. So then she'll go and she'll beg her sister, please give me your kidney. Now, she will take the sister's kidney and try to fix it to her. But her body is like, I will reject it. I will do rejection. I do not want some other kidney. So in that cases, we need to reduce the immunity of our body. That is called as immunity suppressive agent. That is mainly used in your organ transplant. In organ transplant. Okay. Now, what is statins? It is obtained from Monascus purpurus, Trichoderma polysporum, which is a yeast. It helps in blood cholesterol lowering agent. That is, with the mechanism of competitive inhibitants, it will reduce the enzyme for cholesterol and cholesterol level will come down. Okay, that is statins, Monascus purpurus, cyclosporine, Trichoderma polysporum. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, last two slides. Biogas, methanobacterium, methanogens. Okay. Now, biocontrol agents, ladybird beetle, that is for aphids, dragonfly for mosquito, Bacillus thuringiensis, that is BT for caterpillar larvae, trichoderma for plant pathogens, baculovirus for insect and aphids, insect and arthropods. Now, here you need to remember here is that baculovirus, right? Baculovirus is very specific. It is species specific. What do I mean by that? Like how Christina wants only iPhone. Like no Samsung, no Vivo, Oppo, whatever you want. No OnePlus. Very specific she is. She wants good photo, one nice, what is that? There's a filter in that, no students? I don't have an iPhone, I don't know. We should ask Gopika ma'am. We should ask Gopika ma'am for the iPhone filter, okay? So there is a filter, right? She's very specific. So here also, baculovirus is very specific to your insect. It will not harm anything else. It will only harm that particular insect. Okay. So very specific it is. Okay. Now, biofertilizers, we have rhizobium, which is rhizobium, all of you know. It is a symbiotic relationship with your leguminous plants, nitrogen fixation. Okay. Now, Azithospirillum and Azotobacter are free living. Again, they are free living. It means no symbiosis, but they help in nitrogen fixation. Then we have mycorrhiza, genus Glomus. Here it is present in higher plants. What is the main function? Uptake of phosphorus. Now, cyanobacteria such as your Arabina, Nostoc, and Australaria, they mainly work in nitrogen fixation in paddy plants. That's all. After this, you do not have to remember any other example. Are we done? Are we done, students? Are we done? Now. Yeah, ma'am has iPhone. Oh, you do not know. All of you. Ma'am has some pink iPhone and all, which I also use all the time to click photos. Okay. Now, screen is somewhat blurry. Oh, I cannot help the blurriness. I will become cameraman later on. Okay. Now, is it clear now, students? Am I audible and visible properly? Because now the question practice will start now. All of you ready now? Revision done. All of you. Students, quickly smash the like button, share the video. All of you. Vivid. Yes, ma'am. Vivid. Yes, vivid is a filter. Okay. Yeah. Right. So, students, now can we start with the question practice? Yes, all of you. Ready? Yes, all of you. Now, let's warm up a little. We'll do a little bit of warming up by some easy questions in the starting. And as we go ahead, questions are going to be a little difficult. You'll ask me, sir, in microbes, difficult questions? Let me tell later. Let's see later on. Okay. So, simple rule in my class, every right answer, how many marks? Students, every right answer, 1 mark. Every wrong answer, -1. Why? Maths week, that's why. Okay. So, don't worry about, +4. If you know 4 tables, it's fine, but don't flex maths here. Okay. We will do simple maths. Every right question, 1 mark. Wrong answer, -1. Simple as it gets. Okay. Now, First question on the board, let's go. Antibiotics are mostly obtained from. Antibiotics are mostly obtained from. Okay. Yeah. Warm up, ma'am. Warm up session. Okay. So students, antibiotics are obtained from bacteria, actinomycetes, cyanobacteria, both A and B. Both A and B. Quick. All of you, quick. Now students, let me tell you again one more simple thing which you might not be aware of. Actinomycetes are basically a type of filamentous bacteria. Do not think otherwise. It's a filamentous bacteria. You know tetracycline, right? All of you know tetracycline. Tetracycline, all of that is obtained from your actinomycetes. So bacteria also produces, this person also produces. So what is the answer? What is the answer, students? What is the answer now? Both A and B. Both A and B. So it is obtained from bacteria. Normal bacteria also produces some type of antibiotics, and also your actinomycetes are also produce the antibiotics. Both is the answer actually. Both is the answer. Okay. So sometimes what happens if you get such questions, think before answering. Okay. No, I struggle with 4 tables. Yes, ma'am. Struggle is throughout the life. So if you got the right answer, all of you know the simple rule, +1 marks in the chat, all of you. And unfortunately, if you got the wrong answer, your score right now is -1. Not even 0. -1 is your marks right now. Do not lie. Okay. -1 is your answer. Okay. Now, next question on the board. Let's go. Which of the following microorganisms is used for production of citric acid in industries? Citric acid in industries. No 0, it's -1. If you got wrong answer, it's -1. Okay. -1. There is no concept of 0 here. Quick. Students, quickly smash the like button, all of you. Quickly smash the like button if you got the answer correct. Okay. Which one of the following microorganisms is used for production of citric acid in industries? Citric acid. Citric acid is going to be Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, citric acid, lactic acid there. Okay. So if you got this correct, +2 marks in the chat, all of you. All of you +2 in the chat. Everyone +2 in the chat. So students, all this is warm up. This is warm up questions. Okay. Biogas consists of. What does biogas consist of? Who will teach tables? Ma'am, don't ask tables and all. Don't ask tables. I have nightmare with tables. I still remember I was forced to learn tables till 30. Okay, and I forgot next day. Quick, students. Biogas is made up of carbon dioxide, yes. Okay, monoxide, no. Monoxide, no. Carbon dioxide. Methane, yes, methane. Ethane, no ethane. So what is the answer? Answer is option number B. So if you're able to get the answer correct, it is going to be +3 marks in the chat, all of you. +3 marks in the chat. Okay, +3 marks. Okay, +3 marks. No, +3 marks. Students, I don't find the point of by hearting. So, next question on the board. Which of the following microorganisms used for Swiss cheese production? See, students, it is almost like I gave you the answer and then I'm asking you the question. I gave you the answer and then I'm asking the question. Yes, hydrogen sulfide is not given in the option, so we can't really say it. Okay. Quick. Which one of the following microorganisms are used for Swiss cheese production? Propionibacterium shermani. So option number A and +4 marks. +4 marks. Quickly, students, quickly. +4 marks. Next question on the board. Modern farmers can increase the yield of paddy up to 50% by use of, which is the biofertilizer here. Biofertilizer which is used in rice, that is paddy fields. Paddy fields. Quick answers. Cyanobacteria, absolutely correct. +5 marks. +5. Quickly, +5. Okay. Now students, all of you are aware that sometimes I give you difficult questions for your own benefit. Now, can I give you a difficult question? It is not a difficult question per se. It is a question which will make you think. And if you do not think and if you are very impulsive in answering, you will go wrong. Ready? Ready, students? Do not do any impulsive, answer. Think. Here's the question. Which one of the following is the wrong matching of a microbe and its industrial products, while remaining three are correct? Aspergillus niger, yeast, Acetobacter aceti, Clostridium botulicum. Quick answers. Statins yeast. Statins is yeast, students. Statins yeast. Tell me yes or no. Some are falling for it, some are not falling for it. Students, Clostridium. This is supposed to be lactic acid bacteria. Okay. So students, what happens is, sometimes if you do not read the question properly, you will go for statins as yeast. But all of you should remember, students, statins is produced from yeast itself. It is called as Monaskis purpurus. It is a yeast itself. Okay. So plus 6 marks in the chat, all of you. Plus 6 marks. Plus 6 marks in the chat, all of you. Okay. Next question on the board. Okay. Read the following statements and having two blanks, A and B. A drug used for dash patients is obtained from a species of organism dash. AIDS, nah. Heart is not drug. Organ transplant patients, okay, makes sense. Penicillin for heart, no. Pseudomonas, no. Quick. I want quick answers in my class. Students, smash the like button. What is it? Only 90 likes till now. Where are the likes? I want you to make it to 200 likes before Gopika ma'am comes. There is a bet with Gopika ma'am. All of you know, organ transfer patients to obtain from the species of Trichoderma polysporum. Cephalosporinae, right? Answer is C. Plus 7 marks. Plus 7, right? Yeah, plus 7 marks. Okay. So organ transplant, that is your, I told you, kidney. We remove kidney and we give kidney. So Trichoderma polysporum. Okay. Next question on the board. A patient brought to hospital with a myocardial infarction is normally immediately given. What do you give? Okay. Quick answers. Students, quickly smash a like button. If I do not make 200 likes before I go, I have to buy Gopika ma'am a burger. Okay. Otherwise, she has to buy me a burger. So make me win. I want free burger. Okay. A patient brought to hospital with a myocardial infarction is normally immediately given. Students, why streptokinase? Can anyone tell me why streptokinase? Because it helps in, yes, clot bursting. Nice. Okay, this is supposed to be plus 7, plus 8 marks. Plus 8 in the chat. All of you keep a track of your marks. I want to see your marks now, students. Look at the chat. I will look at the chat right now. I want to see all of your marks in the chat right now. Klaus Budler. What is Klaus Budler? For you, who will give? You come to Bangalore, I will buy you burger. Come to Bangalore, I'll give you burger. What to worry? Who will give you burger? I will give you burger. Why to worry? Oh God. No. Okay. After we'll only give you burger. Okay. Next question. This is a good question, students. Good question. It's an AIMS question actually. The most abundant prokaryotic helpful to humans in making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are of one categorized as. See students, all of you know, from here only you get to know it is going to be lactobacillus bacteria, LAB. It's going to be LAB, right? What do you mean by heterotrophic bacteria? Heterotrophic bacteria are the bacteria which can consume organic substance and survive or thrive. For example, in the case of your lactic acid bacteria here, which mainly consumes lactose present in the milk. Okay, so plus how many marks? Plus 9. Yes, plus 9 marks. Plus 9 marks in the chat quickly, all of you. Friends, I feel I shouldn't have given the revision in the starting now. Because because I gave you the revision in the starting, all these questions are becoming very easy. And let me tell you, these are previous year NEET questions, previous year AIPMT question, previous year AIMS question. They are becoming easy for all of you now. Small revision. Okay, next question, students. Okay, Monascus purpurus is a yeast used commercially in the production of. I'll give you 10 seconds. 100 done, 100 more to go. 100 done means 100 more to go. Quick. I'll give all of you, 100 done, no, I'll put in star review. 100 done now, okay. 100 likes, done. Enjoy. Okay, quickly, students. Done. It's a blood cholesterol lowering agent, plus 11 marks, right? Am I right? Or plus 10? Plus 10. Plus 10 marks. Okay, next question on the board. This good question. Okay. A river with the inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in. Okay, drying of the river very soon due to algal bloom, increased population of aquatic food web organisms, and increased production of fish due to biodegradable nutrients, death of the fish due to lack of oxygen. What happens? Quick answers, I want quick answers. Students, quickly smash your like button again. Now I'll give you a small scenario what is happening right now. Okay, small scenario. Okay, now what happens in a river? Let's say this is a pond. Let's say this is a pond or river, right? River. Now what happens here is, if there is a lot of sewage coming in, a lot of sewage coming into the river. Lot of sewage is there. Lot of sewage is coming into the river now. If there is a lot of sewage coming into the river, can I tell it is becoming more polluted? Very polluted. It is becoming very dirty. So when it is getting very polluted, right, what happens is there is an increase in bacteria here. Which bacteria? Aerobic bacteria is increasing here. What is happening? Aerobic bacteria is increasing on point here. Now if aerobic bacteria is increasing, will the demand for oxygen increase? Because they need more oxygen. So what is happening? The BOD is also very high here. Biochemical oxygen demand is also very high. Okay. So death of fish due to lack of oxygen, because all the oxygen is eaten by your bacteria. They ate off everything. Okay. It's a very easy question. Okay, look at this question. Let's see who can answer first now. I want to see who can answer first this question. The biochemical oxygen demand may not be a good index for pollution for water bodies receiving effluents from sugar, domestic, dairy, petroleum. Let's see who answers this question first now. Let's see who answers. I'm going to move aside, read the question, and I want to see the first person answering. $89 likes, sir. 89. Let's go. B. Domestic sewage, students. I got all of you. Students, yes. Sometimes when I use such questions, it makes me happy. I am very sadistic in that way. I am happy now. Why am I happy now? Listen to me. Okay. What happens is BOD index is only viable. BOD index is only viable if there is bacteria in it, and bacteria mainly consumes organic substances, and they use organic substance and they release oxygen. They consume oxygen also. They consume oxygen. Okay, they consume oxygen. Listen to me. In sugar industry, do we have organic substance? Yes, we have organic substance. In domestic sewage, that is household sewage, do we have vegetable waste? Do we have normal your body waste and everything? Organic again, organic. From your dairy industry, again organic, yes, organic waste. But from petroleum industry, do we get organic or inorganic? Inorganic substances. And these inorganic substances cannot be broken down easily by your bacteria. Even if they do, you cannot use BOD there. You cannot use BOD there. Okay. So, nice question, no, all of you? Nice question, right? Crazy question. Nice question. Now, all of you quickly smash your like button for this question now. Now, tell me your answer. Tell me your marks in the chat now. Okay. This was plus 10. This was a plus 11. If your answer is correct here, it's going to be plus 12. If not, plus 11. If you are wrong, it is going to be plus 11. If you are right, it is going to be plus 12. Okay? Okay. Nice. Plus 12. Or if you are, obviously, if you are wrong, it's supposed your marks is supposed to be 10, I guess. Because if it was 11 marks previously, minus 1, 10 marks. So you're right now, all of you in 10, not 11. 10 actually. It's minus 1, I forgot. All of you in 10 marks, not 11. 10 marks. Okay. Next question, again students, we have NEET questions coming up now. NEET questions are very easy questions. So we'll go rapid fire now. Very easy question, student. Very easy question. Okay. Now see this. Identify the microorganisms which is responsible for the production of immunosuppressive agent molecule cyclosporine. All of you know it is going to be Trichoderma polysporum. Okay. So plus for me it is going to be now plus 13 marks. You keep a track of your marks. Okay. Plus 13. Plus 12, plus 13. Next question on the board for plus 14. Okay. Aspergillus niger is citric acid. A is going to be 3. A is going to be 3. Do you have an option? We have only one option there. We have only one option there. Okay. So for me it is plus 14 marks right now. Plus 14 marks. For all of you it might be plus 11 or no, plus 12 marks. Okay, plus 12 marks or plus 13, wherever you are. Okay. For me it's plus 14. Nice question. Okay, next question, all of you on the board. Which of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in treatment of plant disease? For plant disease which is present in plant roots. Okay, easy question. Okay. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. I think I made you write this down in the starting of the session also. In the starting of session, I made you a table, right? In that entire example, this answer was given to all of you. It's going to be Trichoderma. So plus 15 for me. Plus 15 for me. Next question. It's given here, students. Can you see? Trichoderma species are free-living fungi that are very common in the root ecosystem. They are effective biocontrol agents for several plant pathogens. Okay. Match the following again for plus 16 marks. Lactobacillus is going to be curd. Okay. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is going to be bread. Aspergillus niger is going to be citric acid. Astrobacter aceti is going to be acetic acid. What is the answer now? What is the answer? Students, please smash the like button, all of you, first of all. Lemon dakka. Easy question again. Let me just cross check if it is correct. Right? Citric acid. Correct only. So plus 16 marks. Plus 16 marks. Okay. Next question on the board. Next question on the board, students. A biocontrol agent to be part of integral pest management, that is IPM. If it has to be part of IPM, what is the main requirement for the IPM? Okay. Should be. Quick answers. This is for plus 17 marks question. Okay. Now, if you do not remember, students, IPM is something called as integrated pest management. In integrated pest management, what happens is we want to minimize the risk of wiping out every other plant. For example, there is one garden. In that one garden, there is a weed which we do not want to grow. That's called oxalis. We do not want oxalis to grow at all. So, instead of just killing the weed, do we end up killing the entire garden, all the plants in the garden? No. We have to selectively kill only that one plant, or that one insect, or that one pest, right? That is called as integrated pest management. Okay, integrated pest management, right? And for the integrated pest management, we need species specific and inactive on non-target organisms. It has to be very species specific. Okay, it says here, you can see here. Okay, they have been shown no negative impact on the plants and animals. That is basically for your baculovirus. Here, this is especially desirable when beneficial insects are being conserved to aid the overall integrated pest management program. Okay, so baculovirus is a superstar there. Okay, so plus 16 marks if I'm not wrong, plus 17 marks. Okay, plus 17. This is a question for plus 18 marks. Question for plus 18. Which of the following statements about methanogens is not correct? It is not correct. Okay, I'll give you exactly 30 seconds to solve this question. They can be used to produce biogas. That's a correct. They are found in ruminants of cattle and their excreta. Okay, they grow anaerobically and break down cellulose-rich food. Okay, they produce methane gas. They grow aerobically. Students, the key word is right here. I think I told anaerobically because answer was on tip of my tongue. Okay, the key word is aerobically. Why aerobically? Aerobically is wrong here. Why aerobic is wrong? Because methanobacteria does not grow in oxygen rich environment. It needs complete anaerobic condition to grow, right? So this is going to be the wrong statement. Plus 18 marks if you are able to answer this question. Okay, so for plus 19 marks question on the board. Okay, the conversion of milk to curd by lactobacillus improves its nutritional value by increasing the amount of which vitamin? Which vitamin? Let me give you a small clue. This vitamin is also called as cobalamin. Vitamin is called as cobalamin. Quickly, students, how many likes is done? 128. Still lot to go. Students, I don't want to buy a ma'am burger now. Quickly, like the video. What is the answer? Vitamin B12. Exactly. So plus 19 for all of you. If you look at this line of NCERT here, it says vitamin B12. B12. Which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solids? That is, physical removal happens where? Physical removal. Physical removal happens where? It happens in the primary treatment or secondary treatment. All of you might be aware, students, in the primary treatment what happens is there is something called as two main tanks here in the primary treatment. Okay, first and second tank. Okay, filtration and your settling tank. So what happens is in the first, physical removal happens in the primary treatment. Okay, this is plus 21 if I'm correct, students. 19 plus 20 marks. Plus 20. Okay, this question on the board. The high value of BOD or biochemical oxygen demand indicates what is the meaning of high BOD. Let's say I'm trying to go drink some water. Before drinking the water, I will test the water, and the water says it has very high BOD. Can I drink it, students? Can I drink it? Tell me all of you in the chat. Can I drink a water which has very high BOD? Should I drink it or not? Tell me, students. My life is in your hand now. My life is in your hand. Tell me, should I drink a water from a source which has very high BOD? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. Should I drink? Absolutely not. I cannot drink. If I drink, I'm Gotak. Okay. So it has extremely high pollutants, and there's a very high chance that I will get sick from it. Okay. I cannot drink. No, maybe and all. I should not drink. Okay. Then R for RIP will happen. So high BOD means high polluted water. Okay. Measuring biochemical oxygen demand is a method used for. Quick answer, students. Quick answer. This was plus 21. Here we have question for plus 22. Measure of biochemical demand is for plus 22. Plus 22. Students, these are AIPMT questions, right? AIPMT questions. Even if I drink the water, even if I get admitted to hospital, and by some reason, if you are going to be my doctor, I want free medical support. I'm not going to pay for all of you. Okay, I'm not paying any money. Which of the following microbes forms a symbiotic association with plants which help them in their nutrition? See, I told you Azotobacter is free living. It is going to be free living. Students, didn't I tell you? All of you keep forgetting. I told you right here, if you see here, Azospirillum and Azotobacter is free living. Right, free living. But the question is telling you what? Where is the question? Question is missing now. The question says that this is not the question. Here's the question. Okay, the question says symbiotic association. If it is symbiotic association, this is going to be completely wrong. It's going to be completely wrong. Right? Completely wrong, obviously. It cannot be. It cannot be. Tell me the answer now. Trichoderma, no. Trichoderma helps in plant pathogen. Okay. Aspergillus, no way. Glomus. Why glomus? Glomus, example given your NCRT is mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae glomus. Right. So mycorrhizae has a symbiotic relationship. It helps in uptake of phosphorus. Remember. Okay. So how many marks? Plus 22 plus 23? Yes, plus 23 marks. We get plus 23 marks. All of your marks in the chat quickly. Marks in the chat. We have hardly 3 more questions left. Okay. Next question on the board. An organism used as a biofertilizer for raising soybean crops. For raising soybean crops. Yes, 3 because of mycorrhiza association. Okay. Organism used for biofertilizer for raising soybean crops. Let me give you a small clue. The small clue is that this soybean is a leguminous plant. Soybean is a leguminous plant. I will not come to your hospital if you are going to be doctor. Full scam you'll do on me. Oh God. No, solve them one by one. Even if I give you the entire PDF, right? Solve them one by one. Okay. Students, today only I'll upload the PDF in the Telegram channel. Where's the Telegram? I don't know. Students, what is my Telegram? My Telegram is Basavraj Sir Biology. BASAVARAJ Basavraj Sir Biology. Both are from BB. Okay. So here you'll get it. Okay. So it's very easy again. Soybean crops. Rhizobium, all of you know, rhizobium helps in your nitrogen fixation. Okay, so here this was plus 24 marks, plus 24 done. Plus 24 in the chat. Plus 24 in the chat. Okay. Plus 24 in the chat. Your sister can watch RNA series. Your sister can watch RNA. Your sister can also watch the lectures from our NCERT line by line. Okay. NCERT line by line and RNA series both are very, very detailed. Very, very detailed. Okay. Okay. Oh God. Select the correct statement from the following. Biogas is produced by activity of aerobic bacteria. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. How many people will answer? How many people will answer? Students, why this is wrong? Why the first statement is going to be wrong? Because aerobic, it is supposed to be anaerobic. Again, aerobic here, it is supposed to be anaerobic. Biogas, is it purely methane? No. There is hydrogen sulfide, there is carbon dioxide, there is hydrogen. So it is not purely methane, not purely methane, not at all, not at all. Okay. So wrong, correct. This was supposed to be, let's say, here what did we get? Plus 23, plus 24, plus 25 marks. Now students, here we have done 25 questions are done today. Plus 25 marks right now. Now I will give you a homework question. Let's see how many of you can solve that homework question. Okay. This is the homework question for all of you. I'll give you an extra homework question. Do it in your mind, keep it in your mind. Go tell it to your mother. Go tell the answer to this question to your mother. Okay, not to me, not anywhere else. Okay. So with that, your entire today's class from my side is actually over. Okay. Now here is a quick mind map for all of you, which you will be getting with this same PDF. With the same PDF, you will be getting this entire mind map. Entire mind map has your all the examples of this chapter, which you need to remember, which you need to know from this chapter. Okay. And if you get any other question, you can also answer. Ma'am, 200 likes not done, ma'am. I'll buy you a burger, ma'am. I'll buy you a burger. Okay. So students, at least make it 150, no. Okay. So I think that's it for my end today. Gopika ma'am, I hope you're ready, ma'am, because students are waiting now. Okay. So thank you so much, students, for today's class. I hope all of you enjoyed, all of you are able to solve the questions. Quickly tell me in the chat, all of you are able to solve the questions or not? All of you were struggling. All of you were struggling, or all of you were able to answer the questions very easily. And this chapter right now is in the palm of your hand. Here, palm of your hand. Palm of your hand. Okay. So that's it. 2 minutes it. I should sit here for 2 minutes now. Ma'am is telling. Just kidding. Okay, wait. Ma'am is waiting, asking me to wait for 2 minutes. But while we wait for 2 minutes, I have a good news for all of you. Right? What is the good news? Now listen to me, all of you. What is the good news? See here. Here, if you go to our channel right now, students, and if you like the video, the good news will come only if you like the video. Okay. If you like the video right now, right? Do you remember how we launched the crash course, how we launched the PYQ books, so many test paper, and we told the offer is going to be only till your 2 days. Guess what? Surprise, surprise, it is extended. Why is it extended? Because our founders love cricket, right? They watch cricket a lot, and they decided since India is winning, right, we'll celebrate more. So celebration has not stopped at Vedantu still, right? Since they love cricket and India is winning in your semi-finals, which they won recently against Australia. So in the whole josh of celebrating cricket until the finals, which is happening on the Sunday, right, the offer has been extended. So every single crash course, it could be next DNA batch, it could be PYQ books, every single thing is still on offer. So what are you waiting for? Do not wait anymore, go get it. Okay. Already like before, huh? Sukanya, it is not there. From last 2 years only, it is not there. Surprise, NEET cancelled. Huh? Yeah, sure. Oh God. Okay, students. So you can go here. You can check the crash course first of all. Now, who should buy the crash course? Let me tell you right now. Who has only revised the entire syllabus one time? You have studied the entire syllabus one time, and you need a quick revision in a very detailed manner in very short span of time with question practice, with mock paper solving, and also from our own teachers. For those students who wants to do the next level revision, this crash course is for you. Okay, as you can see, Shreyas sir photo is here. One namaskar I will give all of you as usual. One namaskar to Shreyas sir. Okay, and you can go here, and it sounds the offer is still here. It's 199 2000 rupees for the crash course, which is gonna be starting from 17th March, where we'll be finishing your entire syllabus before your examination, revision wise. Okay, so that is your crash course, students. I think Gopika ma'am, where is Gopika ma'am? Oh, sir, ma'am is ready. Okay, ma'am is ready. Oof. I was out of words already. I don't know what to say more. Okay, so all of you are giving namaskar to Capto already. I will screenshot this and I'll show it to ma'am. Show it to sir. Like everyone is doing namaskar to Shreya Capto. Okay, students, I will scoot now. Okay, and Gopika ma'am will start. Ma'am, can I stop? Have permission to stop? Okay, now Gopika ma'am will start. Let's start. Okay. Bye bye, students. Bye bye.
Hello students, welcome to Vedantu NEET English. I'm Ms. Gopika, your own biology master teacher. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you. Yes, I am audible and visible to all of you. Gopika, what? NET teaching, what is this Bruce Lee telling? Am I audible? Yes, audible. Okay. Yes, how was the session? So today we started a little reverse mode, no? We started with microbes and now we are going to do human health and diseases. Yes, ma'am have finally arrived, okay? Yes. Voice is fine? Yes, session, voice is fine. Good evening. Yes. Okay? Perfect. Let's start the class, students. Today we are going to do human health and diseases. So you will be getting at least 3 to 4 questions from this chapter. That means this chapter has a weightage of 16 marks. Right, this chapter has a weightage of 16 marks. So 12 to 16 marks weightage chapter, very important chapter. Again, this chapter has lot of parts, right? First you start with common diseases, then you go to immunity, then we talk about AIDS and cancer, then we talk about drugs. So when we do a one shot of this chapter, it usually is a 5 hours chapter, or we do 3 hours up to cancer, and then we do small portion of drugs. So it's usually a longer chapter. So today we are going to do questions from all the sessions. Okay, ready all of you? Yes, ready? Quickly tell me in the chats if all of you are ready. I want to see a lot of energy. I do not want only yesterday first class so full energy is there. Today is no ma'am second class ma'am, no energy. Come on, put a lot of fire emojis in the chat box, all the GMAs, and quickly smash the like button if you haven't yet. Yes. Voice is breaking for everyone. Oh, ma'am second class ma'am, no energy. Yes, voice is breaking for me also. Hello. Yes. Is it for everyone or is it just for some of you? No? Yes, voice is breaking for me also. Just confirm with me once if the voice is perfect. No, ma'am. Okay, it's fine, right? Okay, let's start. Let's not waste any time. Let's go to the question. Okay. So, who is this girl? You are the girl, okay? You are the girl, you are the boy, okay? Other than that, what usually I'll tell you what is going to happen. So in the session, students, there are chances that you will be able to answer 70% of the question and you'll be very excited about it, and there will be another set of students who will be not able to answer, let's say 30% of the question, and immediately gets demotivated and stop attending all the sessions. Okay, so I'll tell you, yesterday we had almost 100 live watching and today we are at 80 live watching. So what is the reason for this decrease? Is because you think that just because I'm not able to do that 30%, I am failure or I have to again start from scratch. But that is not exactly how you prepare for NEET. Okay, how you prepare for NEET. No, students, live is continuing. Don't worry, it is just a slight, oh, suddenly there's a drop. Live is still there. But that is not exactly how you prepare for NEET. Okay, how you prepare for NEET. Just refresh, don't worry, it's because 2 of us have joined. No, that's why a slight, okay, one issue will be there, but live is not stopped. Okay, live is not stopped. Wait 1 second, let me just check. Is it fine? Okay, just refresh and join. Oh my god, 40 students vanished. Okay, 40 students vanished. Okay, everything is fine, don't worry, it's going to be fine. Okay, yes, what I was trying to say is, please understand, during the session there might be some questions that you're not able to answer because we have selected questions from AIMS. Okay, we have taken from AIPMT, we have taken from NEET. Okay, we have taken from our mock papers. So questions are from all these levels. Okay, questions are from all these levels. So it is possible that you might not be able to answer one of the set of questions. So that does not mean you're a failure. That does not mean that I do not know anything. It just means that, okay, I am in the process of learning. I have a lot to learn. Clear? So I do not want any of you to be depressed. I do not want any of you to leave the session in midway just because you're not able to solve 1 or 2 questions. Okay, clear to all of you? Yes, I hope there is no issue. Everything is perfectly fine and we are going to start the session. So keeping this in mind, I want all of you to go forward with all the sessions of this week. Be it in physics, be it in chemistry, be it in biology, there are chances that you do not know any of the questions. It is okay because you are a part of the learning and we are here to teach you, right? Okay, yes. Sir talking a lot about iPhone and he needs a kidney. Okay, he needs a kidney. That is why he's talking so much about iPhone. So please ignore sir. Okay, please ignore sir and his kidney. Yes, the first question on your screen. A toxic substance responsible for chills and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days in malarial fever is interferon, hemozoin, hiridin, colostrum. So here they're talking about what? They're talking about your malarial life cycle. So they're asking that if a person gets malaria every 3 to 4 days, this person has a recurring fever. This person has a recurring fever. Why does this person has a recurring fever is the question. Come on all of you in the chats. Yes, I think some of them thought the live ended and ran away. Okay, I don't know where they went. I hope they'll come back. Yes, excellent. Okay, I'm just I'll be holding the phone because here the chats are faster, okay, than there. Yes, very good. The answer is going to be what, students? The answer is going to be hemozoin. So we will go with +4 because everyone got it right. Okay, we will struggle through 4 tables but still we will achieve the 4 tables. Okay, yes, come on, hemozoin. And quickly smash that like button as well. Those who haven't, and ask those fellows who left to come and join back. Next question on the screen. So students, on the board you will see some places where you will see a green color box. I do not know why none of you asked about it. Green color box shows that the question is easy. Okay, that means 70 to 90% or let's say 80 to 90% of the students have answered it right in the previous years. Okay, there might be some places where you see some orange color and red color. That means students have answered only 30 to 40% have done it right. Clear? So if you're getting those questions right, it is amazing. Okay, next question on your screen. Man in the life cycle of Plasmodium is primary host, secondary host, intermediate host, both B and C. Again, they are focusing on malaria, and let me tell you, I have seen lot of question, be it NEET, be it AIPMT, be it AIMS question, lot of questions have been asked from malaria. So please focus on that topic. Okay, please focus on that topic. Clear? So yes, a man, that is a host, right? Digenetic host. A man in the life cycle of Plasmodium is a primary host, secondary host, intermediate host, B and C. Come on. Think and answer. Don't tell one answer. Just think and answer. Okay? Yes. Yes, quickly. Perfect, perfect. Yes, ma'am. I do agree that there is two hosts. One is mosquito and one is man. And man can be the secondary host, or he can also act as an intermediate host. Why do I say it is intermediate host? Because students, you understand that in the man only the gametes, right, the gamete formation happens, but the fertilization will happen only in the gut of the mosquito, right, gut of the mosquito. So here, man in the life cycle of Plasmodium is secondary host and intermediate host. So we will go with the option both B and C. That means you are going to get +8 in this question. Okay, +8 in this question. Quickly answer me. Yes, very good, very good. +8, ma'am. Excellent, excellent. Next question on the screen. Select the correct option showing the life cycle of Plasmodium. You can ask me, ma'am, from where is this questions? These questions are from Tattva. Okay, these questions are from Tattva. Okay, there is achievers questions also, which you will see later. Okay, Tattva questions these are. So answer me. Select the correct option showing the life cycle of Plasmodium. All this PDF will be available. Yesterday's PDF is already updated in the description box. Again, yesterday's and today's PDF I'll be sharing on this Telegram channel, Biology by Gopika. Also join our Vedantu NEET English Telegram channel, where you will be getting all PCB, notes, at the same time all the notifications and any important update. Right? Yes, perfect. Now answer this question for all of you quickly. Select the correct option showing the life cycle of Plasmodium. Option. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. What's the answer? Quickly. Come on, come on. Where did all of them run away? All your friends ran away. They thought live ended. See, people can't take risk. People can't wait. Okay. Less than golden fish, what is that? Concentration span is perfect, perfect. So let's see. Sporozoites, yes, ma'am, correct. Okay. Liver cells, yes, it first goes to your hepatocyst, that is your liver cells. Even here, okay, understand, instead of liver cells, they give the word hepatocyst. You're going to answer it, okay? Why? Because liver cells are otherwise called hepatocyst. And then it go to RBCs. Yes, it goes to the RBC. Again, it, everywhere, understand, asexual reproduction is happening. That means it's continuously multiplying and it is bursting open these cells, okay? Bursting open these cells, and the gametocytes are present in the blood. We will be like, no, we cannot take care of fertilization. You please take care. So what will happen? A mosquito will come. It will take the blood meal. In the blood meal, the gametes will be there. Fertilization will happen in the gut of the mosquito. Now, all of you tell me one more question. With this only one more question I'm asking you. All of you type the answer in the chat box. Where is the sporozoites stored? Okay. Sporozoites is stored. Where? Where exactly the sporozoites is stored? Come on, quickly. Come on. Manufacturing defect. Yeah, exactly. Where is sporozoite stored? Okay, all of you got +12. Excellent. Now answer this question. Answer this question. Where is sporozoite stored? This question has come. They have asked, where is the location at which the sporozoites formation happens? Second question they have asked is, where is sporozoite stored? So I want all of you to answer me both of this question. Ninja has to take some ninja tricks. Yes, perfect, perfect. Salivary gland of the mosquito, the sporozoites are stored. Now, second question to all of you. You can add, no need then 14 table wheel, 14 4 marks. too much work it is, students. So you get grace marks of 2, which you will add on at the end of the session. So we do not have to play with maths. Now tell me this. Where is sporozoites formation happening? That means what? Where is fertilization happening also, I can ask you. So tell me, where is sporozoite formation happening? Where exactly is this gametes going to fertilize and form the sporozoites, or the zygote is going to mature to sporozoites? Where is that happening? Come on, all of you in the chat box. Yes. Quickly tell me in the chats, where is sporozoites formation happening? Okay. To the end, okay, to the end of your GM marks, you're going to add 2 marks more. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Who is that? Tanuj Kumar, Shiv Prasad, Neela, Christina, Karthi. Excellent. SK. Suhasini. Yes, very good. Gut of the mosquito. So this difference, always understand, formation is going to happen in the gut, and storage is going to happen in the salivary gland. S for storage, S for salivary gland. Moving on to the next question with plus 12 marks and bonus 2 marks, which will be added at the end of the session. Okay, this is like like Max and Zudio. At the end only your points will be added. Okay, yes, perfect. Next question. Assertion. Yesterday I could not add a lot of assertion reasoning, so this time I've added more questions to it. So this shows orange color. That means students have made mistake in this. Okay, so how did I come to this conclusion? It's because looking at the percentage of students who has answered it right. So here only 50% to 60% has got this right. That means it is a medium difficult question. I'll not tell you it's a difficult question. It's a careless mistake that students have done. Let's see what is the mistake. Assertion. In malaria, a person experiences chills and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days. Reason, this is caused by release of hemozoin with rupture of liver cells. Tell me if assertion and reason is right or wrong. And there we go, a set of students who made the same mistake, and this proves that this question is actually is actually medium hard because you people are careless. Okay? I will tell you the answer later. Now you please check this. Now you see. Now you see. All will start putting crying emoji. Okay, and I will tell you why that orange color is mentioned there. Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent answers. I want few people to change it. Yes. Yes, I can see one correct answer. Yes, maybe one correct answer. Okay, one in this big crowd. Yes, now you understood why only 50 to 60% of the students got it right. Because you people are blind and you cannot see that they have mentioned hemozoin is released by the rupture of liver cells, when I taught you that it is because of the rupture of RBC cells. Come on. All of you put crying emoji now, because I can see, yes, I can already see crying emojis in the chat. So, what is going to be the answer? If assertion is true, reason is false, right? Because rupture of RBCs is the reason for hemozoin to get released. Come on. Yes. So, all my students are at plus 12. Okay. Except Neela. I think Neela is the only one who has surpassed this and has got plus 16. Okay. Plus 16. Yes. Yes. Am I right or wrong? Okay, am I right or wrong? No one saw liver cells, right? All of you saw blood cells. Okay, liver will be crying in the corner. If assertion is true but reason is false, okay, this is why it is an orange colored marked question. Got it? Very good. Okay, very, very good. I'm proud of you people's eyesight. Students, please read the question. Read the question 2 times, 3 times. How much time it will take you to read the question? See. In malaria, a person experiences chills and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days. Reason, this is caused by the release of hemozoin with rupture of liver cells. How many seconds did you take? You took hardly any seconds, no? Right? Yes, Ratus also gets. Okay, a few seconds you have taken. Read the question 3 times and read this. Now you cannot tell that, oh my god, the question is difficult. The question is easy, baby question. But the problem is what? You did not read it properly. Okay? Yes, moving on to the next question. It's a green color, so it's easy question. Match list 1 and list 2. Cocaine, heroin, morphine, marijuana. List 2, effective sedative in surgery, cannabis sativa, erythroxylum coca, coca is not there, erythroxylum, papaver somniferum. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Yes. Oh, who is this calling my student fool and all? Hello, no one can call no one. Christina. Okay, guys, students who I see first only I saw Neela's name. Okay, later I did not see the chats. Okay, so those who put C, excellent. Okay, those who put C, very good. But those who did not put, that was the majority. Okay, that was the majority of students who did not put C because they couldn't see. Okay, wow, that is nice. No, the students who did not put option C is because they couldn't see liver cells. Okay, you should make a. We'll make a video out of this. Yes, tell me. Cocaine is going to be what? Erythroxylum coca. Okay, erythroxylum coca. Then you have what? Morphine is there. Morphine, you know, it is effective sedative. Heroin is there. Papaver somniferum. Marijuana is there. Cannabis sativa. So what's going to be the option here? The option is going to be option number 3, right? Cocaine, erythroxylum coca, heroin, papaver somniferum, morphine, effective sedative, marijuana, cannabis sativa, right? Yes, very good. Okay, so plus 16 and plus 20 is right now your. You people can't do all of it right. Huh? I have to struggle with 2 marks. Okay, 2 different. This I have to struggle with. Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on, tell me quickly in the chats. Plus 20 and plus 16. Yes, good job, good job, good job. Next question. Next question. Okay, interferons are secreted by liver, spleen, virus infected cells, lymphocytes. Okay, lymphocytes. Interferons are secreted by liver, spleen, virus infected cells and lymphocytes. Yes, tell me. Quickly in the chats. Very easy question, okay? Green signal you can already see. So you know that it's an easy question. Yes, it is secreted by, yes, very good, virus infected cells. So where do you study this? Ma'am, we study this in cytokine barriers. Okay, so connect the entire topic. Okay, when you're doing MCQs, also connect the concept. Cytokine barriers, we talk about different cells who are going to protect each other. That is, if a cell is affected by a virus, a cell is going to immediately signal the other cells telling that I have been affected by a virus, you please protect yourself, and they will immediately make antiviral protein AVP and protect themselves, right? So that is where your interferons, we talk about cytokine barriers. Under innate immunity, you talk about them, right? Under innate immunity, you talk about them. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, yes, what's your marks? What's your marks? Excellent. Plus 24, plus 28, right? Plus 28. Okay, yes. Yes, see, AIDS, we use that technology, but here mainly we are talking about interferons in the place of your immunity, right? Immunity. Now, next one. The class of antibodies involved in allergic reaction is IgA, IgD, IgE, IgG. Okay, again a green signal is on your screen, so that means it's an easy question answered by 80 to 90% of the students. Okay, the class of antibodies involved in allergic reaction. Allergic reaction. Come on, all of you. IgA, IgD, IgE, IgG. Oh, even my roll number was 21 when I was in school, in some class. Okay, I can't remember which class, but yeah, one of the class. That's your marks, sir. Yes, very good. IgE. Whenever allergic reaction comes, always remember E. Okay. Whenever you talk about colostrum, think about IgA. Whenever you think of the immunoglobulin that can pass through the placenta, think of IgG. Understood? Clear to all of you? Yes or no? That is IgA, colostrum, right? This is the thing that is going from the mother to the child. Now IgE, allergy, IgE, allergy, IgG, the one that is going to be, passed on from the placenta. Okay, the only person who can cross placenta. Okay, yes. Next question on the screen. filariasis, amoebiasis, pneumonia, ringworm, Haemophilus influenzae, trichophyton, Wuchereria bancrofti, entamoeba histolytica. Easy question, green signal on the screen. Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay. Yes, filariasis, also known as elephantiasis. Any student who did not hear the word filariasis, okay, please understand filariasis is also called as elephantiasis. Amoebiasis, pneumonia, ringworm. Okay. Others you know. Others all of you know. Yes. D. Okay, D is the option. Let's solve it first. Yes, let's do it. Are you all done with the answers? Yes, very good. Filariasis, students, Wuchereria bancrofti, amoebiasis, entamoeba histolytica, pneumonia, Haemophilus influenzae or streptococcus pneumoniae. Pneumonia word they will not give here because students will easily do it. No, that's why they give Haemophilus influenzae, and ringworm, trichophyton. Okay, trichophyton. So what is the option? Let me see. A4. Okay, A4 only one option is there. Did you people say D? Okay, did I do A? No, A3. No, sorry. A3. Yes, correct. Okay, A3. Excellent. So what's your marks right now? Plus 28 and plus 32 if I'm not wrong. Right? Maths is mathsing. Okay, no, it's not. Plus 36. Yeah, so many marks are there. Full tables I'll write and keep. Whatever is your marks, you choose from it. Okay? Yes. Okay. I hope this is fine. I think 28 is not there. 32 and 36 should be there. Yes, good job. Don't scam with your marks. Okay, tell the truth. Truthful you should be. Next question. Identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. Fetus receives some antibodies from the mother. It is an example for passive immunity. When exposed to antigen, living or dead, okay, antibodies are produced in the host body. It is called as active immunity. When ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called as passive immunity. Yes. Oh no. Yes. Okay, come on, tell me. Identify. Students, please open your eyes and see when it is given. Identify the incorrect, correct, identify the wrong, okay, identify the right, okay, please rightly visualize it, otherwise you will go wrong. Okay, so active immunity is quick and gives full response. Fetus receives some antibodies from mother. It is an example for passive immunity. When exposed to antigen, antibodies are produced in the host body. When ready-made antibodies are given, it is called as passive immunity. Oh my god. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Yes. So right now what's your scores? 40, 44, 30, I don't know, 36, 38, whatever your score is among these two, please put, okay? Yes, active immunity. Yes, definitely it's a slow response because it's not ready made. The body will have to take time to make antibodies, okay, because I have injected something into the body which is in a weakened form, which is like weakened. So my body has to realize this and start making antibodies against it. So it is definitely going to be a slow process. If it is given ready made, then it is okay. Now ready made dress and your handmade dress, which will take more time. Obviously the handmade dress, you have to take the cloth, you have to stitch it, you have to put design on it, all of that work, no? But ready-made means you just take it, you wear it and you go for the party, right? So yes, very good, okay? Yeah, you people, who asked you to depend on me for calculation? I am doing 4 tables so I can win against Basva sir. Simple as that, okay? Please do your maths. Please do your maths by yourself. Yes? Okay. Now, oh, it's an orange signal. Let's see if you will get it right, okay? The most, okay, students, this question was answered only by 30% of the students. So if you people get this right, as a GM, I will be very, very happy. Okay, I will be very, very happy. So let's read the question carefully and let's use all our concept knowledge in this. The most standard HIV screening blood test predicts how fast can one develop AIDS, measures the amount of virus in the blood, detects antibodies against the virus, can be done only after appearance of opportunistic infections. The most standard HIV screening blood test. Standard one. Okay, most standard one. Which among this it is? Yes, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Come on, all of you. We are very close to the target. Come, let's reach the target as well. Okay. Yes, I can see. Wow, yeah, my students are excellent. My students are like excellent. How do you don't just because someone did put 3 answer, you do not put 3 as the answer, okay? Okay, fine. Yes. So I am so happy. I'm so happy. Yes, very good, students. So here what is happening? The most standard HIV screening, basically we do antigen antibody, right? ELISA also is based on the same principle. ELISA also we talk about antigen antibody. So here also we talk about the same thing. Again, see, can be also done only after the appearance of opportunistic infection, but we cannot wait till this, because students, as I told you before also, just because a person is HIV positive does not indicate that that person is AIDS positive. Why? Because HIV in the body will have to take some years. Okay, it could be in a span of 5 to 10 years or 20 years, this person will become, okay, this person will become AIDS positive. So how can I wait for a typhoid or a jaundice to come get affected, then go and check that, okay, if this person has it or not, right? So antigen antibody interaction is the best way to find out if we have this virus or not. Again, as I told you, just because a person is HIV positive does not mean a person is AIDS positive, because it takes a span of years to actually become AIDS positive, because HIV will be continuously killing your T cells and growing in the macrophages, or using macrophages as a factory outlet. Okay, yes. Yes, option 3 is the most appropriate, because again with NCRT base also this is the most appropriate. Okay, so I'm very happy that you surpassed it. Okay, yes, perfect. Next question. I will read this question for you if you cannot see. Use of hyperimmune horse serum. Okay, 1 second, students. Okay, what's your scores? Okay, some are at plus 40, some are at plus 44, some are at plus 48. Okay. Oh, no. You didn't see the answer, I hope. Good evening. Okay, what is frog doing here? Are you reminding that I have to teach you frog? Yes, I will teach you frog. Use of hyperimmune horse serum raised against a specific pathogen given to a recipient is an example of use of hyperimmune horse serum. All of you know what is this? What are they talking about? Raised against a specific pathogen. This also you people know. They have not directly given it. They have guma ke given it. What do you tell guma ke is sutti mutti. Okay, sutti mutti they have given it. Natural active immunity, artificial active immunity, natural passive immunity, artificial passive immunity. Yes, done. It's an easy question. Yes, very good. It is 4. That is artificially passive immunity. Here they're talking about what? We taking anti-venom. Right, anti-venom, we take it from the horse by injecting the horse with the snake, right? Snake poison. That is basically what we are giving an antigen, okay, to the horse. Horse makes us ready-made antibodies and we use it as anti-venom, okay? Anti-venom. Got it? Yes, perfect. Yes, what's the marks like? 52, 48, 44. Students, I need to win against Basavraj sir, so please put your scores. Okay? Sutti Mutti is beating around the bush. Okay, beating around the bush. All the few Shakespeare's, beating around the bush is what I meant. Okay, Sutti Mutti, Guma ke is all the same meaning. Yes. Yes, next question. Big question. Okay, it's an orange color. So that means there is a word that you do not know, or there is a word that you will not see very clearly. So look here. Given below are 2 statements, one labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason. Some human organs like liver, kidney fail to function normally, and transplantation is the only remedy to enable the patient to live a normal life. So first they are talking about transplantation. Reason: tissue matching and blood group matching are essential before undertaking any transplants, and patient has to take immunosuppressant therefore. Now just now you studied cyclosporin A in your microbes. Now tell me what assertion, reason, what is the situation? Okay, what is the assertion, reason? Yes. Quickly tell me. Who is Sutti Mutti? Two characters in Marvels, it seems. People are so against each other. Come on, who is the 10 people who haven't liked the video? Because you have to give Guru Dakshana. You have to like the video. Come on. That's the only thing we can show, or we can see that, okay, students actually enjoy it. What's the answer? Some of you are right, some of you are not right. Again, think through. Assertion reason means what? If the statement is talking about transplantation, you have to check if the reason is also talking about transplantation, or is it talking some other point about transplantation. See, assertion reasoning means what? I am stating a statement, okay, telling that, okay, you know what, kidney has to be transplant and the donor is A positive, something like this, and then I'm talking about graft rejection. Makes sense. Reasoning is there. But if they're talking about any other point, that does not mean. Okay, that does not mean. So what's going to be the answer? Yes, most of you are right, some of you are wrong. B is going to be the answer, because these two are the same topic coming under the same subheading, but this and this has very less connection, because this assertion is talking about how we should do transplantation and that is the only remedy, and here they're talking about graft rejection. So these two are different things. So reason is not the correct explanation, right? Reason is not the correct explanation. So we will go with option number 2. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Yes, understood? So what's your marks now? 56. Okay, very good. Suvra, Christina, ma'am casually giving tips. Okay. But ma'am, okay, Sandhya put some message and then deleted. What is the message, dear? Yes, see, definitely. See, this is talking about graft rejection, but do these two have connection? Okay, some human organs like liver, kidney fail to function normally, and transplantation is the only remedy to enable the patient to live a normal life. Okay, understood, ma'am? It's like a story. Tissue matching and blood grouping are essential before undertaking any transplant, and patient has to take. Now students, do you see the connection? Do you see that the reason is justifying why a person has to go through transplantation, or do you see the reason explaining why people have to do transplant to live a normal life? No, right? That's not that should be the reason. If I'm telling you that actually everyone has to go through transplantation to live a normal life, I should be telling why. Why transplant is so important, why not a temporary treatment, okay? Why can't I do dialysis, okay? Why can't I do bone marrow transplantation? So that kind of, okay, something like that. I'm just giving you justification, okay? So this is the statement, clear? So plus 56, plus 54. Hey, who is this person from 1 hour is in plus 40 only? Move on, okay? Yes, next question. Okay, which of the following pathogen is not transmitted by vector? It's an AIMS 2015 question. If my students would have got this question in NEET 2025, they would have happy tears. Okay, they would have happy tears. Yes or no? Tell me, which of the following pathogen is not transmitted by vector? Yes, jaldi tell me the answer. Fast. Easy question. Okay, don't worry about alpha virus. This is the virus that causes arthritis. It does cause many other, okay, meningitis and other things. But yeah, just in case you were thinking, my God, from where did this alpha, beta, gen alpha and all come? Don't worry, you do not know about it means you only check the ones that you know. Okay. Yes, very good. It is Salmonella typhi. Okay, Salmonella typhi, because here we use our Anopheles mosquito. Here we are using the Culex mosquito, right? So that is why we talk about Salmonella typhi. Okay, Salmonella typhi. Very good. What's your marks? What's your marks? Plus 60, plus 52. I guess you people had, no? 56. Someone is in 40 from many years, so that person please be at 40. Okay. Yes. Very good. Salmonella typhi. Okay, it's a orange color. Okay, it's a orange color. That means you have something to be very careful about. Sexual stage, that is gametocytes of Plasmodium, occurs in AIMS 2013 question. salivary glands of mosquito, human RBC, intestine of mosquito, human liver. Many of the students opted for one option. That is why this is coming under orange. Okay. Yes. Yes, definitely. Uday Kumar, DNA series is for the entire 11th and 12th. DNA series is your one-stop batch where you're going to be prepared for NEET. You will have every 11th topic, every 12th topic. You will have part test, you will have full test, you will have revision, you will have pedagogy. Everything is there. So if you're thinking that, okay, I need to invest money on something really good, DNA batch is the thing. You have lot of students who are a part of DNA batch. You can go and check our previous videos about DNA batch. Students itself have given their opinion. Okay. So it's a batch trusted by thousands of students, and a lot of teachers have been preparing them continuously. So yes, you can definitely blindly give that 1,000 rupees, give that 2,000 rupees and just join the batch. Okay. 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees and join the batch. Yes. And students, happy news is there. What is the happy news? That you people are getting, are getting extension. Okay. Extension of your batch. Till when, ma'am? Offer is extended till March 8th. What offer, ma'am? On Vidya Utsav, we had given you an offer, right? Where all the prices were by half. So DNA NEET batch 2026, if you click, the batch price is still, okay, still going to be the same price as what you saw in Vidya Utsav. That is, you're going to get 3,000 rupees an entire batch for an entire year. Okay, even if you do 3,000 divided by 365 also, it will not even come near to your money that you spend for your pizza or burger, right? It is going to be that less. So you're going to get an entire batch for 3,000. Okay, 3,000, where you will get access to our entire Wave platform, where you will get access to ebooks, pedagogy, doubt app, other videos as well, not just DNA videos, other videos as well. Okay, clear to all of you? So batch is extended up to March 9th. On March 9th, don't message and tell, ma'am, please extend the batch. Okay, please do the needful. Can't do the needful. Now the batch is extended. So quickly go purchase it now itself. Okay, tell me the answer for this. Let me see how many of you got it right. Okay, I can see some 1s, 3s, 2s. Okay, majority has got it right. The answer is going to be option number 2. I will tell you why this question came under orange is because many students went for this. But if you look at it, intestine we never discussed about. Okay, and here to make sure that you're not confused, they have given the word gametocytes. So all of you know that we are collecting, or the gametes are formed. The mosquito is collecting the gametes from where? From the RBC. So human RBC is where the sexual stage. See, this is the confusing part. Okay, this is the confusing part. Sexual stage, when you tell, immediately you think about mosquito. And when you do not see the word gut, you automatically go to intestine, telling that, hey, gut, say it will go to intestine. No, whatever shortcut, no, it is. So that kind of thought process you shouldn't have, okay? That, okay, I want to go to, I want to go to Coimbatore, so I will go through this way. So like that, I will go like this, okay? Gut to intestine. Like that, you cannot do. You have to be very precise. So human RBC is going to be the answer because of this just one word. Okay, got it all of you? So what's your marks? Plus 60, plus 64. Anyone in 40? Okay, yes. Clear? Perfect, perfect. Good job. Next question. Okay, it's a very kutty font. Okay, I will read it for you. It's again a red mark. Okay, that means it's a more like only 10% of the students got it right. Okay, that's why. A drug addict showed symptoms such as increased appetite, chest pain, redness of eyes, increased urination. He was possibly taking cannabis compounds, LSD, cocaine, amphetamines. It's a AIMS 2014 question. See, I told you this 50 question series is not just about NEET previous year questions. It's not just about AIMS. It's not just about AIPMT. It's not just mock papers. It's a mix and combination. It's like a buffet for you, right? You have everything served on your table. All you have to do is every day attend the class, give us the appreciation that we deserve, and take your reward for it. Take this question, solve the questions, and practice with us. Okay? Yes. Come on, tell me. What is the answer for this? See, you can connect it with one, right? You can. You want me to read it again? A drug addict showed symptoms such as increased appetite. Okay, appetite got increased. Chest pain is there. redness in the eyes, increased urination. What was he possibly taking? Is it cannabis compound, LSD, amphetamines, or cocaine? Think properly. Yes, I've read it again. Once again, should I read? What imposition you people are giving me? A drug addict showed symptoms of increased appetite, chest pain, redness of eyes, increased urination, and he was possibly taking what? That's it. Okay. Yes. Maybe LSD. Okay. Think once again. You will get the answer. Definitely you will get the answer. Okay. It's not that difficult. Just think about, okay, have I studied about this? Some people are telling, right? Okay, I'm giving you some time. Even open your NCRT and check if you have studied about any of these characteristics. Chest pain, okay? Any of that? Okay, let's go to the answer then, if you're not able to find it. Okay, some of you have told 1, very good. Some of you have told B. Okay, very nice. Lysergic acid, no? Lysergic acid is LSD. Oops, sorry. Okay, students, the answer is 1. Okay, cannabis compounds. Okay, very good. Some of you are getting it right. I can see some names. Arini, I think the first person told was Rishita. Okay. Yes, very good. Who told rest? Neera, very good. Okay. Yes, so the answer is cannabis compounds. So your marks will be right now at 60, 64. Okay. Ye ma'am, pakka. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, here it is. Okay. You can tell lysergic acid. Lysergic acid, you can write. Okay. This is LSD. Lysergic acid, cocaine, you know, amphetamines, you know, cannabis compounds. Any of the cannabis compounds. Okay. Now, here. Students, chest pain is a good way to remember, no? Because cardiovascular, any kind of cardiovascular issues, you will connect it with what? Cannabis. Okay. Yes. Very good. Very good. Whose fan are you? Okay. Yes. So please put your marks, whatever your marks is. Now, moving on to the next question. The type of immunity responsible for graft rejection, okay, by a recipient body. Graft rejection. Yes. Graft rejection. All of you know what is graft rejection, right? Again, we have just discussed about it. Now, even sir told you that for iPhone, he was talking about kidney, no? So for that also, the body has to agree to it. The body has to tell that, see, just because it's any of the relatives or anyone's kidney also, body will still see it as a foreign particle. So to accept or to make the body accept the foreign particle, we'll have to give immunosuppressant, that is cyclosporin A. So here they're talking about that. Okay? Yes. Very good. Very good. Cell-mediated immunity, right? Yes, very good. Cell-mediated immunity. Okay, cell-mediated immunity. What is this person telling? Go. Bye. Yes, very good. So here again, 68, 64, 62, whatever your marks is, make a note of it. Okay. Yes, very good. Cell mediated. Next question. Which of the following is correct regarding AIDS, that is AIDS, causative agent HIV? Okay. So they're basically trying to say that which statement is correct about HIV? Instead of that, they have told AIDS causative agent HIV. Okay. Yes, HIV is enveloped virus that contains 2 identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and 2 molecules of reverse transcriptase. It's a retrovirus. Obviously, it's going to convert RNA to DNA. HIV is unenveloped retrovirus. HIV does not escape but attacks the acquired immunoresponse. HIV is enveloped virus containing 1 molecule of single-stranded RNA and 1 molecule of reverse transcriptase. Come on. Three Kanjus in the class. Okay. Who are the three Kanjus? Who has not liked and subscribed? A, ma'am. Huh? A. Question is which is correct? Correct. Not wrong. You people are there, no? From when on you started seeing two reverse transcriptase? When on you started seeing two molecules of reverse transcriptase, two molecules, identical single strands, two molecules, I mean single strand of, oh, what am I saying? Sorry. Okay, HIV, single, one molecule, single stranded and one molecule. When did you start seeing that? I taught you very clearly, two molecules of what is there. I even showed you the diagram, right? I even showed you the diagram. I don't have the diagram right now. But if you remember the capsid? Like this capsid we drew, two strands, single strands we drew, reverse transcriptase like this we drew, integrase we drew. Yes or no? Yeah, you people are more confused. Whatever I tell you, people will change immediately, no? Yes or no? Huh? You will change immediately as soon as I say. I told correct, check the correct statement means all of you were giving wrong statement. What's the answer now? Finalized answer, you please lock. Please lock the final answer. Students, I can tell anything to confuse you. Some person tells that really it's the option. You will immediately change the answer. No? Yes, very good. The answer is option number D. Virus is enveloped virus containing one molecule of single-stranded RNA, one molecule of reverse transcriptase. Okay? I tell why students this is wrong. Immediately answer will change. Okay? Yes. Next, what's your marks now? Plus 64, plus 60, plus 62. Okay, plus I think 70. Okay, all this will be your marks. Okay, good job. Next question. Oh, it's a big question, students. We have to read it. Okay, big question. We have to read it slowly. Select the correct option to fill up the blanks. Disease which are easily transmitted from one person to another are called as dash disease. So options are here. Before you look into the option, you please look in here and try to answer without the options. In human body, parasites of malaria initially multiplies within the dash, then attacks the dash. Dash is the yellowish fluid secreted by the mother during the initial days of lactation. Dash and dash are the primary lymphoid organ. Okay? Come on, answer all of you quickly in the chats. Yes, okay, B. Wait, let me see. First, okay, let's answer this question, students, because it's, directly if you go to this, it will be confusing. So let's answer this. Disease which are easily transmitted from one person to another is called as, obviously, infectious disease, right? Infectious disease or communicable disease, we call all of these diseases, okay? Next one. In human body, parasites of malaria initially multiplies within the Initially, it will start with liver cells, then it slowly moves to the RBC cells, okay? Dash is a yellowish fluid secreted by the mother during the initial days of lactation. Obviously, it's going to be colostrum, okay? Colostrum. Next one. Dash and dash are the primary lymphoid organs. What is the primary lymphoid organ? B and T, right? Bone marrow, and thymus. Yeah. Now tell me the option. Now let's see, where do we have this option? The option is going to be option number, oh, I did not put the option. So it is going to be option number B, right? Because we have, oh, sorry, here, infectious, liver cells, RBCs, cholesterol, bone marrow, thymus. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. All of you understood? All of you understood? So what's your marks now? Plus, can't see your marks. Okay. Plus 72, some of you might have, no, 74. I think 72 some of you will have. Some will have 68 and so on. Okay. Yes. Okay. Some of you have 74. Very good. Perfect. 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 Okay. Moving on to the next question. Yes. Match the terms given in list 1 with their description of list 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Okay. Ready? First, we have helper T cells, plasma cells, killer T cells and interferons. Options given are cells that are active in production of antibodies, activate T or B lymphocytes to become plasma cells, protein produced by virus infected cells, combine with antigen causing lysis and release of cytokinins. Okay, cytokinins. Yes. 74, very nice. 72, 68. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Yes. Tell me, students, what's the answer for this? Easy peasy lemon squeezy questions, right? How many more questions we have? One. Okay, we have some more questions. Quickly. We have to do this. Helper T cells, helping. Okay, it's going to help. It is not going to directly interfere somewhere. It is just going to help. It's going to be like, hey, I'll help you with this process. You please continue with the process. I'm not going to directly attack any pathogen. I'm not going to directly do anything, but I'll help you. Okay, I'll help you. Yes. So, which is the answer? I'll give you a clue if you want. See, you can do 50-50. How can you do 50-50? See, you know interferons are proteins produced by the virus infected cells. So D3. How many options you have D3? You have only 2 options which are D3. That means this is a 50, this is a 50. See, without even asking, I gave you a 50-50. Okay. So Amitabh Bachchan, you have to ask. See, I gave 50-50. Now tell me, is it A or B? A or B? A or D? Sorry, not A or D. A or D. D, ma'am. Okay, let's see. Helper T cells. What are they going to do? Activate T cells. Okay. Plasma cells. Cells that are active in the production. Perfect. 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 Yes. Okay. So answer is going to be A2. Yes. Option number. No, sorry. D. I am good, Dr. Kiran Kumar. Yes. Once you can ask me. Yes, I'm good. Okay. Next question, students. Assertion reason. Okay. Hi, ma'am. I'm from Karnataka. Very nice, Arun. Even I'm from Karnataka. Yes. So, if you're in Karnataka, you should join our KCT channel, right? We Karnataka, KCT and both, because we are preparing you for both. Okay. Yes. Come on, tell me. Students, plus 78, plus 76, plus 72. Okay. Full tables, I'll write. Okay. Next question. Next question on the screen for all of you. Assertion reason. All infectious disease like common cold and AIDS are fatal. Fatal means what? It leads to death on a long run, right? Reason. Infectious diseases are not very common and only few people suffer from them. Infectious disease they're talking about. All infectious diseases like common cold and AIDS are fatal. According to the statement, I have always common cold. Okay. Yes, infectious diseases are not very common. They're telling it is not very common. Okay, and only few people suffer. I'm underlining all the words so my students open their eyes and see. Okay, I think you people have to read the question 2-3 times. Okay. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Both assertion and reason are false. Okay, so please put your scores in the chat. I think this is our last question for the day. Yes, this is the last question for the day. Assertion. A wide range of organisms like bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans, helminths, etc. are called as pathogens. Reason. Pathogens have to adapt to life within the environment of the host. Okay. Okay. Yes, these questions are neutral questions, so no color in the box. Okay, it's not difficult, it's not easy, it's neutral. Okay, it's neutral. That's why I have not put the boxes here. Tell me, because I do not know the percentage of students who did it right or wrong. That's why. Because these questions are from Tattva. So in Tattva, I will not get to know. No, that's why I have not put the boxes. Yes, tell me the answer for this. A wide range of organisms like bacteria and virus, fungi, protozoans, helminths, etc. are called pathogens. Yes, ma'am, I agree to it. Reason. Pathogens have to adapt to a life within the environment of the host. This also I agree. Yes, every day chemistry, biology and physics will be in the same timing so that you people can definitely attend every day, okay, without fail. Wow. As if D for words are not there, you're making. Okay, tell me the answer. Yes, the answer is going to be B, right? Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Okay, very good, all of you. Yes, B for frog. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, good. Now tell me your final marks. I think none of you got the full marks, so you don't know. Okay, I think some of you would have got. What's your marks? I think, is there any student who has not made a single mistake? Is there any student in the class who has not made a single mistake? Then please give me their marks. Please give me their marks quickly. Yes, we are done with our second session. Okay, second session of our 1000 questions in 1 week, right? We have finished physics, we have finished biology, and next you will have chemistry, right? Next you will have chemistry on your screen, right? Yes, 2 wrong. Okay, no student has got full marks. Okay, I assume you would have done 90 marks or you would have done for 100 marks, right? Okay, 100 marks. So out of this, how much you got? Please drop it down in the comments, okay? Wow, very nice. Okay, very nice explanation. Just tell that, okay, students, this is what life is. Whenever you are wrong, just tell that you are wrong and move on. Okay, okay, very nice. Crash courses in the morning, that I do not know, students. It's a very big system of people who have decided it, so I do not know if we can change it. Okay, yes, okay, 1 wrong, very good. 2 wrong, ma'am. Yes, very good. Okay, so are you more confident than yesterday? Please let me know in the chats if you're feeling better than what you did yesterday. Yes or no in the chats quickly, and then we can end the session. But before I end the session, again, I'm reminding you once again that all of you, please go to this video and you can see the link. Okay, NEET 2025 crash course is there, and crash course price is very, very affordable, right? Very affordable. That is especially for students who is preparing. You will get for 2 months. That is for this entire span. We are going to help you prepare last minute, because if you're at home and you do not know how to prepare, you want help, okay, and you're thinking that, okay, what will I do? I only have this much money. That much money is more than enough for you to enroll in our crash course, because right now also it's at 2000 and the batch is going to start on 17th and 18th. My class is there. Okay, 18th my class is there. And again, if you want the combo, you can take this. Okay, if you want the combo, you can take this. If you want the pro, that is like with some more add-ons, you can take this. Okay, you can take this. So yes, so this is crash plus NEET, and this is our most sold batch. Okay, most sold batch on Vidya Utsav day itself. Almost 50 plus students took it that day itself, and then on the coming days also many students have been enrolling, because getting flashcards is a very important thing, because last minute revision you can use a flashcard and revise the entire chapter. Okay, so students, at 3000 I would recommend you to buy the flashcards, because you will be grateful to yourself. It is more colorful than NCRT, more concise than NCRT, and it will be better than your short notes. Let me tell you, it's better than your short notes as well. Okay, yes, so thank you so much, students. See you all in next class. I hope all of you are feeling very confident with this 1000 PYQ sessions. Okay, not just PYQ, all the questions. So see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow I think we will be doing genetics, right? Genetics and then biotechnology. So yes, see you all in genetics class. Till then, take care, tata, bye bye, and do drop down in the comments how much marks you scored, and also let me know if your confidence have been boosted, because yesterday comments were beautiful in the biology video. We were so happy. We were so happy seeing the comments, such beautiful comments. Some of them have, like, especially Ratas have typed the whole story. It is very beautiful of all of you to take the time and comment, okay, because it makes our day. And all the first likes that you get on your comments is from us, because we do read every time we refresh and see the comments, okay. Yes, students, thank you so much. See you all. Bye bye. Don't worry about the PDF, it will be updated in the description box. With that, also, you will get it on this Telegram channel. If you want all the notes of your zoology, you will get it on this Telegram channel, okay?